Today videos I show you how you can track Google Ads conversion tracking with Google Tag Manager. First we need to create the conversion action. Go to goals and summary and now click create conversion action, and we'll use a conversion on a website. Save and continue, and our main goal is submit lead from, and we'll choose manually with code, and in here rename the conversion name lead from submission. Okay, for now we should use this one, and first one is based for e-commerce business. For lead you should use this one. Also in count method choose one. For e-commerce you should select every method. Click on done, save and continue. So first we need to create conversion linker, Google Ads conversion linker, and it will be all pages. And the second step is Google tag. For Google tag we need tag ID. Just go to use Google Tag Manager and copy this conversion ID, and now write AW and paste the code, your conversion ID. Okay, it is very easy method, or you can find this here. If I click here you can see the tag ID is here. You need to just add AW and uh, hyphen. This is hyphen. Okay, copy this and paste here. Very simple things. Google tag. Okay, so our two things is done. Now move on the from. Now preview our container and accept the cookie. Okay, and this is our from. First we need to create the trigger, and how you can identify the trigger. Very simple things. Okay, just fill up the from. You can see this is our message, and this is called element. We need to track this with element visibility. I need to create a trigger for this element. Just go to inspect, and this is our class. We need to copy this and go to the trigger option. Sorry, go to the trigger option and choose the new and select user engagement element visibility. So I select the class, and select method should be class, and paste this class value here. For class we need to add extra dot here and enable this option. Okay, our trigger is done. Now let's move on. For Google Ads conversion tracking, click on Google Ads and Google Ads conversion tracking, and you need to paste your conversion ID here. Here it is. This is my conversion ID, and this is the level, and trigger should be this one, element visibility. Okay, you can rename anything here. Google as conversion tracking for lead business. Okay. Okay, our conversion tracking is done. Let's check it's working or not. Okay. Okay. Now submit the form. You can see the thank you message is come. If I click here, you can see the element visibility. You can see our tracking is done. But let me show you one thing. If I reload this page and click on submit button, you can see there is another element visibility and our tag is also fire. This is the problem. This is not a real conversion, right? So how can fix this? Okay, now let me think about more. Okay, this is our real conversion, right? So we need to copy this as a JS path and paste here, and value. Okay, it should be inner text, right? Inner text. Okay, so we need to create a variable for that. So we need to copy this and create a JavaScript variable. JavaScript variable. Now paste the code and add here function and return option here, and name this from submit, sorry, JS from submit condition. Okay, so what we have done, basically when only this exactly message will come, our tag will fire. We need to go again in our element visibility trigger and add here a condition. We just create a variable called cgs from submit condition, and it's equal or contains this message, right? Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, let's check again. So this is our from. If I click submit button here, you can see our message is different. In here you can see our Google Ads tag is not firing because the condition is not matching. So if I click again here, you can see the thank you message, and here the and here you can see the Google Ads tag is fired. So every condition is matching, and we understand how we can track the from lead from with different condition. And now check again, if this is empty, and now if I click submit button, you see there is no element visibility. Also our tag is not fired.